Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Sanguine. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage multiple Facebook accounts in one single browser. So guys, this video is going to be super interesting, super cool. So please make sure to hang around with me till the end of the video, and please don't skip, because if you do so, you might miss something important, and which might create some confusion for you later on. So in order to avoid this, please do not skip the video and watch it to the full length. And let me take you to my computer screen where we can explore more about how Sanguine works and how can you use it in terms of Facebook, right? So Sanguine, as you know, is a multi-login Chrome extension that helps you to create multiple tabs for your social media handles, and you can simultaneously use multiple accounts in one single browser. So in today's video, we're gonna talk about in detail how do you do so. It's gonna be a brief tutorial on this. So guys, in order to explore this, let me take you to my computer screen.
Firstly, when you log into your Facebook account, so what you got to do in order to create a new session or to log into some other Facebook profile, firstly you have to click on this Sanguine icon that you see at the top. And let me tell you that you can see this icon only if you pin the extension. First you need to install the Chrome extension, and then you have to click on this extension icon, and then you have to pin it from here, okay? And once you pin it, you can have the icon visible here, okay, with the other extensions that you've installed and also pinned. So first click on Sanguine and let the extension load. So guys, as you can see, the extension has loaded up now. So I've got like two options here. First is unsaved session and the other is a saved session. So let me explain you what does these two terms mean. So unsaved session means the credentials are not going to be saved, or the session is not going to be saved. Is basically a temporary session that will be stored for a very limited period of time. While if you want to have this credential saved so that you have to log in multiple times, maybe you got you have to keep this as a permanent account, okay? So in that case, you have to click on this saved session, and it's gonna save the other profile details. So every time you just click of a single button, you can log into it, okay? And it's for a foreseeable period, which means it's gonna be like a permanent one, okay? So now let me just show you how to create a saved session. And the process for saved and unsaved are same, but the main difference is what I've just explained you, okay? So now just click on saved session, and now you got the option to name the session, okay? You can name it anything. For example, we can write it like FB2, okay, because since I'm logged into my second Facebook profile, so it'll be like FB2, and you can group it, okay? You can also name the group, like you can have 3, 4, 5, 6 Facebook profiles. So what you can do is you can put them all, you can organize them all under one single group, whichever group you it's all up to your wish. You can name it anything. For since it's Facebook, so I'm gonna name it the group as Facebook, okay? So once you do it, just click on this add button here, and that's all. You can see you've just it opens up a new tab for Facebook, okay? And now you can freshly log into your account. Now you can see that my credentials are already saved here, okay? Therefore it shows up here. But in your case, it could be opposite. You might have a blank page where you need to enter your credentials. You can enter your new credentials and safely log in. Or if you have to create a new Facebook profile, then of course you can just go ahead, you can click here, create new account, and you can go ahead with creating a new one, okay? Both the cases are possible. For now, I'm just gonna show you how to log into another account, okay? So I'll just enter up my credentials, and I'm gonna log into my another Facebook account. So guys, I've just logged into one of my other Facebook accounts. Just as you can see, it's different from this one. You can see right over here, and it's different, right? Both the accounts are two different accounts that you can run simultaneously on two different tabs of Chrome, okay? Simultaneously, you can use the same process on other browser like Microsoft Edge or even Firefox, okay? So the process is same. You gotta just follow this process, and that's all. You can enjoy two multiple Facebook accounts at the same time.
So guys, that was how you use Sanguine to log into multiple Facebook accounts in one browser. I hope everything is crystal clear to you, but in case if something is unclear or you have got some doubts, some questions, some query, make sure to drop them down in the comment section. We'll be super happy receiving your doubts, and we'll be very happy to guide you further. So guys, that was all for this video. I hope to see you in another video, and till then, take care and bye bye.